Hello princesses! Today I'm going to be doing my August beauty haul. I literally just got the last box from IBuyBeauti today, so I'm so excited to show you guys what I have got for the 2 upcoming months. And I am already wearing some of it. So I will tell you guys which parts I'm wearing as I go through. So first up I shopped with Testerkorea where I got the Becca Last blushes. There are 9 colours in the collection and they do have like 3 contour shades at the end as well. I'm wearing one of the contours pretty unsuccessfully, which is number 7 today. It's quite not quite right, so we will see how that goes. I did find it kind of hard to blend, so I feel like I look very patchy today, but that's okay. The blush colours themselves though, I have been finding really nice. So I'm wearing one of the blush colours as well, which is either number 3 or number 4. I can't remember which one I used today because they are both very similar. Then I picked up this teeny tiny little foundation. This is the Espoir Pro Tailor Foundation. I have the shade Vanilla. This is a 10ml like deluxe tester sample and I've tried it, I've reviewed it already and I just need to edit it, and I really like it, but I don't like the price, but I really like the foundation. Another one that I really like is the Lily by Red Easter Bunny Mood Cheat Kit. This is number 2, which is called Pink Sweets, I think, and this is just so beautiful. Again, I have done the review for it because the IBuyBeauti box came way later than the other 2 orders, so I have tried out a lot of things and I really unsurprisingly love this eyeshadow palette. And of course, to go with the eyeshadow palette I had to pick up the lipsticks as well. These are the same Lily by Red Easter Bunny Mood Cinema Matte Ending Lipsticks. There are 2 colours, a pink and a orange colour. The orange isn't too bad, but the pink is definitely up my alley. It is my favourite out of the 2 colours, and I also really liked the formula of these ones too. That was all I got from Testerkorea this time. They did ship everything out really quickly in comparison to the other stores, and even though I didn't pay for DHL or express shipping, it got here way quicker than it should have, and I am not sure why, but I am grateful for that. I haven't had the best experiences with Testerkorea in the past because they usually delay my products being sent out for so long because they are just missing things, like they are selling things that are not in stock, but they appear to be not doing that, at least in the things that I've ordered, so that's a good sign. The next store I shopped at was Roseroseshop where I picked up some foundation. So I got the Balm Stay Collagen Waterfall Moist Luminous Foundation. This is in the shade number 13 Light Beige, which is absolutely not the right colour. I haven't tried this because it is so not the right colour that it's going to look really bad. So we will save that for a day where I'm staying home entirely and not doing anything. But then I also got the 3W Clinic BB Cream Wrinkle Intensive, and I haven't tried this one either because I've been trying 2 other foundations, but the colour of this one at least looks quite nice. It's quite light and it's a little bit more grey than what I'm now used to because I've had so many lovely warm toned yellow foundations lately, but I am still very excited to try this one out as well. I picked up one of the colours of the Etude House Active Shield, I think it's called. Active Proof Shield Watercolor Tints, and I got the other 2 from IBuyBeauti. And again, I haven't tried these out yet because I've been testing other lipsticks, but these ones, from what I can gather, are supposed to be like exercise or waterproof sort of thing. Like it looks like it's got a face with goggles on it, so I'm very interested to see how that goes. And then I also picked up these lipsticks from Re-Ray or Re-Ray, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it still. One of them was sent to me from YesStyle back when they were doing those monthly boxes for us, and I really liked it, so I decided to pick up the whole range. I can't say much for the quality though, because when I was swatching them, one of the lipsticks completely fell out of the tube, like it broke in half, and I was not happy by that. But it's not the worst thing that can happen. From the same brand I also picked up a cushion. This is the Re-Ray Star Lucent Cushion Lip Cheek Pink and Coral. I've already reviewed it and it is back in its box because it is so the wrong colour. But that's okay. The packaging is liquid glitter and stars and it is so cute. And what I really liked about it is that it has a cushion in one side, and then on the other side it has these little balms. So it's a pink and a coral. You can use them on your lips and on your cheeks as well, and it's got a gigantic mirror. The whole thing for me is like quite bulky, so I'm not 100% a huge fan of it, and it is the wrong colour. but it is a really cute concept. I got two products from Petty Petter. I got the Ink Pocket Shadows. There are two quads in the collection for these ones, a little peachy one and a little pinky one, which I've tried and I really like. They're just really nice general eyeshadow palettes from Petty Petter. The colour's not groundbreaking though, so that's a little disappointing, but again, Petty Petter. And then I also got the Pure Beam Cheeks. And I'm so confused about how these are supposed to work because they seem to have like a little bit of like blush color, but they're mostly just shimmer. But like if you want to get any actual color on your cheeks, you have to pile it on. So yeah, I'm not actually 100% sure about these ones, but I will be reviewing them soon after I kind of decide what I should be doing with them properly. You know, I don't want to put them on as a highlighter if they're supposed to be a blush, or a blush if they're supposed to be a highlighter, because I know you guys will be annoyed, but it does promo them as blushes, so that's what I assumed they were. I also got the Misha Twin Brow Kit, but it is all the way over there, and I don't really have very much time today, which is why this haul is going to be like 100 miles per hour. But I'm wearing it on my eyebrows right now, so it is quite nice. I also picked up some of the Etude House 4-tip prongs, but I picked them up ages ago, like they were in like an in-between sort of order from Hairstyle, so I don't really have them to talk with. But you would have already seen, you'll be seeing the review for that next week. No, next review on Saturday. So my last order came from IBuyBeauti, and it took the longest time to get here out of all of the other ones because I paid for DHL shipping for Roseroseshop. And I don't know what happened with Testerkorea, it just came really early. So it's not that the IBuyBeauti one actually took longer than it should have, it's just that the other ones were really fast. So I picked up the Etude House Rose Bomb palette, and these only got here this morning, so I haven't swatched them yet, and I don't want to put my fingers in them before I've done like some nice video for you guys, but oh my gosh, I am so excited. I do not know what this little plank is, like it doesn't really seem to be protecting the eyeshadows very well, but whatever. And then those are the colours. Now I know I'm not going to use like half of these because they are just too much for me, like especially like these light, not light, dark pinky purples and that like burgundy in the corner, but I am beyond excited to be trying it on my eyes, and I hope that I can do swatches for this so soon. I got the last two of those Etude House Active Proof lip tints, and I'm really excited to try this pink. Now that I see it, it looks very cool. It also looks very watery. Like I said, I haven't swatched them or tried these at all because I only had the other color, which was orange. Yeah, no. And then I also got the Innisfree Vivid Cotton Ink Blur. Sorry, my squinting at the like computer over in the corner because I'm not wearing my glasses. It's so terrible. I was so interested in these ones because I have had all of the Innisfree Cotton Vivid inks. And these are the Cotton Ink Blurs. So I'm wearing one today. This is number 3 on my lips, and I have to say they're not the most pigmented things. This is just the first tryout though, so I wonder if it's a very similar texture and a very similar feel to the Vivid Cotton inks. I wonder if they're supposed to be a little bit more like of a blotted lip sort of look. I am pretty much going for that. And last but not least, I actually picked up the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Pale, which was requested by someone, and I will find their name when I do the review. I am wearing it today and it is a little bit too light. So I've got a fair amount of bronzer on to compensate because it does make me look like a full-on ghost. And I'm surprised that like you can see redness and acne and stuff even from this distance, and it's supposed to be a full coverage foundation. So I've tried it a couple of times, but because it is lighter than my own skin tone, noticeably so, like a student said something about it, which means that if like a child noticed it, everybody else notices it too. I'm surprised. I'm not wowed. In fact, I kind of don't like it. I don't really love matte foundations as they are because they don't look good on my skin. Like, it looks patchy, it looks like it's pilling, it's like, just, no, it's not nice. But the colour is so pale and so lovely. I just absolutely adore the colour, even though it's not right. It's nice to have something that is a little bit too light. It's not usually a problem for me, so very cool. Oh, and the last thing that I was going to tell you guys is the amount of testers that Testerkorea sent me. 24 testers. I don't understand why they sent me so many testers, but thank you. So that is it for this month's beauty haul. Tell me which products you are the most excited for me to try out. I am betting it's going to be that Rose Bomb palette. Somebody keeps texting me. And if you have any requests within reason, please let me know down below because this is the best time to tell me before I actually make my purchases for the month. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!